AI is not going to replace humans. Humans with AI will replace humans that don't use AI.
By 2025, 2 million workers in manufacturing could be replaced by automated tools. By 2030, 14% of global employees, the global workforce, will have been forced to change their career because of AI. So this is 375 million workers. 1 in 4 CEOs expect generative AI to lead to job cuts of 5% or more in 2024. You can see here 75% of CEOs think generative AI will significantly change their businesses within the next 3 years.
You and your 9 other dumbass colleagues are gonna lose their jobs sooner than you think. If you want to protect your job or even get 5 more better jobs and even start a side hustle without actually much working, then keep watching this video till the end. It will blow your mind. Probably you will start making money from now. Okay guys, your employers pay you to get the job done. And now AI is doing it. The moment your employer finds it, they're gonna hire an AI smart guy who will do the job of you and 9 other dumbass colleagues who are still skeptical, and he will do it using AI. And you're gonna come back saying, "Oh Mosh, how did it happen? I am a human. How did AI replace us?" But by then it will be too late. Okay, enough talks guys. It's advertisement time, because why not? We have an amazing program. Our students are earning high ticket affiliate commissions. A lot of them are even dumber than you. In fact, look at me, a brown guy, black beard, big belly, and I don't even know English. A lot of times, I don't even understand my English. If I can do it, if my students can do it, you can do it better. And to learn about our 99% done for you program, you can watch a free video. Yeah, I transparently broke down our business. You can learn everything about our business from that video. The link is in the description if you're watching from YouTube. And if you are smart, you're watching from my website, then the link is in the button somewhere near this video, maybe here, there, or there. Go check it out, click that link, watch the full video, and enroll into the program. That's it, advertisement done. Let's go to the content. Our program has a process. When you sign up, I mean you basically make the investment to join the program. There are a couple of steps, but people get so excited after spending a bunch of money. They go nuts and they look for access here and there, and they don't know what's gonna happen now. And they come back to me saying, "Mosh, I just made the payment. I didn't get access to anything. I don't know what's gonna happen now." I need to tell them, calm down. You will receive 2 emails. Click that email, do that with that email, do this, do that. Instead, I thought, why not we make a full document with clear step-by-step instruction with images. So I went to ChatGPT and basically dumped my whole idea. And I told ChatGPT everything. This is what's gonna happen when they purchased, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, etc, etc, etc. That's it. More specifically, I clicked this dictation button and told ChatGPT what I wanted to say. And you know, my ugly and broken English without any punctuation. But you see the power of AI. It literally understood everything I said and the instructions clearly. So here is what I asked. I asked AI to write the process step by step with titles for every step, subtitles, paragraphs, and bullet points, so it's easy to understand for beginners, and basically create an acronym. Acronym is like an abbreviation. So in this case, AI proposed MASTER, M-A-S-T-E-R. Let me show you what MASTER means. MASTER stands for Make Your Purchase, Access Confirmation Emails, Start with the Introduction Page, Transition to Members Dashboard, Engage with the Community, Ready for Revenue Generation. You see how powerful, how easy and amazing it is? Now anyone can remember MASTER and they won't forget what they are getting. And according to my instruction, AI broke down every single step, one by one. How to make the purchase, what is gonna happen, what kind of confirmation emails they're going to get, how to access confirmation emails, a special link, membership site, start with introduction page. Even there is a welcome video, navigation guidance, transition to members dashboard, what they're going to expect in the members area, engage with the community, the most beautiful part, and weekly live call. Exciting. Ready for revenue generation. Now it looks good, but who reads text? So I asked AI to write image prompts for each section, and in a matter of seconds, I got image prompt. Now look, I didn't write anything myself. Now when the prompts are written, I said, now create hyper-realistic images from the above prompts one by one. I did it to make sure AI creates all the images at a time. I don't have to instruct separately for each image. And it made all the images. Guys, do you understand how powerful it is? It was done in less than 3 minutes with mobile phone application and simple voice note instruction. Do you still think you are required by your employer? Or do you believe that you and your 9 other dumbass colleagues are going to be replaced by one AI smart young man who will simply operate AI using his mobile phone and in fact get paid more than all 10 of you maybe? Guys, I'm sorry for being salty. I'm not that bad. I just want to say there is an opportunity right now. You can learn AI, practice AI. It's still in beginner phase. Nobody knows about AI now. Using AI, you can actually get a raise and maybe a promotion or maybe a better job, maybe another 5 jobs as side hustles or part-time jobs because you're just going to operate with your phone using AI. That's it. And maybe if you are really smart, I meant to say smart like our students who are actually getting the maximum benefit out of this whole thing with our 99% done for you program, then you should check the link in the description, watch the full training and decide super fast. I'm not going to ask you to join our program. I will say just don't delay a single second to join the program right now. If you don't, the only loser will be you, not me and not our students. You're not a loser. You are awesome. Go ahead, do it, and we will see you inside enjoying these steps. Talk soon.